Well, their necks may be heavy, but their heads stay high as the PLDT high-speed hitters proudly take their second gold medal right after a historic championship in the PVL. And of course, we have the invitational champions in the studio. Let's welcome Team Captain Kat Arado, Aliyah Malaluan, and Coach Rald Ricafort. Guys, welcome back! Woo! Congratulations!
Thank you.
Because you keep on winning, you keep on coming back dito sa show namin. But grabe, Neil, two-time champions in less than a month for the PLDT high-speed hitters. Ikaw, Coach Rald, pangatlo mo na as a head coach in the PVL. But ang tanong ko is, I'm sure after ng championships on tour, hindi kagad kayo nakapag-celebrate ng buong buo. Kailan nagsimula yung usapan in terms of preparation for the Invitational? Dun ba sa celebration dinner, parang napag-usapan na yung susunod na gagawin niyo for the next tournament?
Parang gano'n na nga. After ng game nung finals, pinag-usapan agad yung schedule na, yun nga, we can celebrate mga 1 or 2 days. Pero after nun, mag-prepare na kami kasi sila ulit yung kalaban namin.
August 17 yun di ba? Yung nag-champion kayo, tapos 2 weeks later yung championship. So, mabilisan talaga yung naging tournament na to, Neil.
And Coach, you went undefeated for the whole conference, invitationals, and
Grabe.
on tour. Wala kayong talo.
Sweep,
How
sweep.
were you able to keep their heads afloat also? Kasi we know that the invitationals, aside from the local teams, may Japanese team din na pumasok. And hindi pa natin sila nakita maglaro dito sa Pilipinas. So how did you keep everybody stay in shape and to be competitive pa din in the invitationals?
Siguro yung una, sinakilan namin yung wave ng championship nung on tour. Yun nga, masaya mag-training pag galing sa mga panalo. At the same time, laking tulong nung nakabalik yung mga Alas players. Kasi yung sa physical din ng mga naglalaro during on tour, paubos na rin. Like, mga middle saka open. So, parang nung on tour, nung invitationals, may dagdag pa kaming mga players na nakatulong na malaki.
I remember nakausap namin si Aliyah. She was here on the show after the on tour, diba? You were joining the team, you were supporting them on the sidelines. Pero ngayon, how does it feel before the championship first, just to be on the court with your teammates in PLDT for the first time in the PVL dahil yung debut game pa lang niya, Neil, ay nag-player of the game agad si Aliyah.
Siyempre, panatag po ako sa loob ng court kasi nga, as what I always say, sobrang andyan yung ates to guide me. And na-feel ko din na parang yung assurance sila always there, parang yung comfort ko din sa loob ng court. Kasi yun nga, yung assurance sila na okay lang magkamali kasi everyone makes mistakes.
Was there familiarity in that starting unit? Kasi pag tinitingnan ko yung PLDT, ang daming from Lasal So I guess the integration wasn't that difficult for you, lalo na't mga ate mo naman yung mga nasa loob. But how did you also adjust? Kasi syempre, we know that you're coming from Lasal, from the collegiate level, but now this is a different level. Aside from your Alas stint, nasa pros ka na din in the PVL.
Up until now, I can say na I'm still adjusting lalo na sa loob ng court kasi kaya nga sobrang tutok ni coach sa akin kapag every time out, ang dami nila instructions sa akin kasi hindi pa ako ganun ka solid sa loob kasi parang ilang weeks lang ako nakapag-training with them ahead ng invitational. So, in terms of connection naman with my Lasal ate, syempre, pag nanonood kasi ako nung pag-training, syempre nakikita ko how they play. So parang doon pa lang I try to aral it na.
Kausapan naman natin ng back-to-back best libero lang
Yes.
naman at Finals
Finals
MVP,
MVP.
diba? MVP. MVP. Kat Arado, kasama natin. Kat, talk about this invitational tournament. Being a captain, of course. Sabi nga ni Coach Rald, after ng on-tour, hindi agad naka-celebrate fully dahil you have another mission. Ano yung sinabi mo sa teammates mo during this quick invitational tournament na maging mas focus pa at makuha yung isa pang gold?
Actually, wala siyang mahabang speech. Kasi nga, yung mga tao naman talaga, since nag-start yung on tour, talaga nakafocus siya. Yun naman talaga yung goal namin yung pumasok sa Final Four, then pa isa-isa na siya. So, nung pagpasok pa lang namin sa semis, kahit may goal na kami, mayroon pa ring part na naka-mindset sa amin na maglalaro pa rin kami until the last parang day nung invitational. So, parang yung guidance lang din talaga ng coaches na parang laging paalala lang din talaga na wag iwasan mo na yung mga alis-alis. Kung kaya magpahinga, pahinga talaga, yung binibigay niya. Tsaka malaking tulong talaga yung pinagpapahinga niya kami ng buong araw. Na hindi niya kami pinupush na, mag-training tayo kasi ganito, ganyan, may kulang pa tayo. Talagang mas more on, inalagaan nila coach yung katawan namin para makapag-perform kami talaga.
You know, the best part about this championship is that it wasn't handed on a silver platter. And you really worked hard for it. Nakita namin yung storya ng PLDT. So, Kat, gusto ko talaga makwento mo sa amin yung experience through your eyes. Because you've been through it all with PLDT. Yung mga masasakit na talo, yung mga kamunti ka na kayong pumasok sa finals. But now, look at that. Twice. Di ba?
Yeah.
Back-to-back champions, undefeated pa kayo.
Siguro, totoo talaga yung sinasabi na hindi naman all the time. Parang yung niloloko kami ng mga coaches na parang gulong nga yung buhay. Hindi naman laging nasa baba ka. Kailangan mo lang talagang paghirapan every day kung ano yung gusto mong goal para sa sarili mo and para sa team. So, yung napagdaanan talaga ng team, hindi talaga siya basta-basta eh. Kasi kahit kami mga players, even coaches, talagang may time na parang pasuko na, yung parang nako-question na yung tama pa ba itong ginagawa natin? Tama pa ba itong tinatahak nating parang ganun. So, pero thankfully talaga, yung coaches, kahit na may mga ganung moment kami, kahit na nafe-feel nilang emotion na parang bad, they keep pa rin, parang motivate kami na hindi kaya pa natin. Magtrabaho lang tayo, parang kung sa game, parang 1 point at a time tayo, parang ganun. So, day by day talagang hinahandle ng coach yung mga bad day namin, yung mga parang masasakit na may mga pangyayari. So, credits din talaga sa coaches na kahit kami nagda-doubt na sa sarili namin, sila hindi mo talaga makikitaan na nagda-doubt sila sa amin. So, yung tiwala talaga 100 or parang 200% pa nga yung binibigay. So, hindi ganun kadali sa amin, hindi siya ganun kahirap sa mga player na mag-perform to the highest level talaga.